So hello everyone, today your session will be about factorization and it will be session 4 and we will be doing the exercise 6D. So I guess you have completed exercise 6C without any doubts and everything. Now before starting this exercise, first of all, what we will do, we will understand what are squares. So you have clearly seen this are, for example, if I find the square of 2, it is 4. So 4 is called a square. 4 is called a square. So similarly, 3 square is equal to 9. So 9 is called a square. So based on this, we have two formulas. You are already clear with that formula. The formulas are a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. You can write this 2b square 2ab here also, or you can write it here also. So it does not matter. Okay, it does not matter if you write it here or here. Both are the same thing. The next one is a minus b whole square. So this one is a square minus twice ab plus b square. You can write the twice ab here also. It is not a problem. So these are basically two formulas. These are the square formulas. Okay. And this part, in both the cases, this part is called perfect trinomial square. So these two parts are called perfect trinomial square. So have you seen what the perfect trinomial square is? This part, from this here to here or here to here. Now you have clearly seen this. So now another thing is, if you see here, the format you see a square plus twice ab plus b square. See the format. First of all, it contains the a and the square of it. Okay, it contains a here, b here, and the b square here, and this two here. So whatever, for example, there is 2 square, then there should be 2, here it is 3 square. So this into this plus 3. This is the perfect square trinomial. For perfect square trinomial, or we can write this 2x whole square plus 2 into 2x into 3x plus 3x whole square. So these two are, this one or this one are called perfect square trinomial. Sorry, this I have written here. Twice x whole square plus twice into 2x into 3x plus 3x square. So this is the form of a perfect square trinomial. Okay, so let's start the exercise. Now if you factorize this part, you will get the result as 2x plus 3, this one. So this part is called the root of that perfect square trinomial. Root of this perfect square trinomial. Okay, this is called the root. root. So now exercise 6D. So here you can see there is first question is which of these following are perfect square trinomials? Write yes or no. If it is a yes, you write yes. If it is a no, it is no. The format is simple. It must contain one number, then the square of it. After that, plus or minus. It can be anything. Okay, plus or minus twice AB. After that, plus B square. So here two things are fixed. The sign here and the sign here. These are fixed. These two are fixed. Okay, and this part can be plus or minus, but it should contain this one, the term here, and this should contain this one. So if we can write in this form, we can say it is a perfect square, but we should be able to write it in this form. Okay, we should be able to write in this form. So first of all, if we start, there is a square plus 10a plus 16. A square plus 10a plus 16. So first question number 1, first question, 10a plus 16. So here if I write this in the form a square and the last one is 4 square, so the middle part contains this 2 into a is there into 5 plus 4. But if I compare it here, it should be this number, but here it is 5, because if I multiply 2 into 5 it will give 10. So here it is 5. So this is not a perfect square trinomial, so it is no. Similarly, you have to just compare this with a square plus twice ab plus b square. Here it is b, the b should be here. Here it is 4, it is not 4 here, so this is no. Next one, is b square plus 14b minus 49. Here the first part minus, second part should be plus minus, and third sign should be plus. You got this format in everything. Here it should be plus, here it can be plus or minus, and here it should be plus always. So in this case the third part has minus, so this is not possible. So again the answer is no. Again the answer is no. Now third part is, question number 3 is x square minus 5x plus 4. So here this one is x square, this one is 5x, this one is 4. Here you can clearly see it is not a multiple of 2. Here whatever number there should be, it should be a multiple of 2. 2 is there, so it should be an even number. If it is a multiple of this should be an even number. Whatever result we get, it should be an even number, but this is an odd number, so it is again no. This is an odd number. The middle part should always be even. If integers, the middle part is always even. Okay, I got this part. If integers, the middle part is always even. Now I guess next of the things you can do it. Why it is yes or no. Now third, fourth is a yes. Yes. Why it is 10x plus 25. So if I break it down here, it is x square and it is 5 square. Okay, it is 5 square. So it is 5 squared and it should be here 2 into x into 5. So it is satisfying here. So this answer is yes. Okay. So I guess in the next part you can do it. Now we will be starting B. So the previous one was A actually. So mark this part. B. Question number B is 12. Starting number is 12. It is n square minus dash plus 49. So here we have to put the value here to make it a perfect square trinomial. So first of all, we will break down the side parts. This is n square and this is plus 7 square. So it is obviously what should be here. 2 into n into 7 must be here. So if I multiply all this, what I will get? The result is 2 7 are 14n. This is n square plus 7. Now the result is minus 14. Okay. The result is minus 14. So similarly, next question 13. 13 is x square minus dash plus 25. Okay. So here x square is this, then this one is 5 square, so the middle part should be 2 into x into 5. So if I multiply this, 2 5s are 10 x plus 5. So the middle part will be the result is minus 10x. I guess you can also do the next part. It's easy. I will be doing question number 6 now. This you can do it. This is easy only, this part. So I will be doing question number 6 now. Question number C. So for C, we have question number 18. The starting number is 18. So we have to factorize it. This is simple. Just follow the rule. A square plus twice a plus 1. What we will do first is we will simplify these two parts. We will not see about this part. We will simplify these two parts. So first, a square is this. Okay. Now the middle part should always be twice AB. So just write it, twice into A is this one. This part is A. The inside part is A. Okay. The inside part is a, not the whole over square part. This is not a, the inside part. Okay, this part is a and this part is b. So 2a, then this one will be coming here, this, and this one is. So after this, just write the formula, a plus 1 whole square. If it is minus here, it will come here. If it is plus here, if it is plus here, the plus will be here. If it is minus, minus will be here. Okay, if it is plus, plus will be here. If it is minus, minus will be here. Okay, that is the one thing you got. Now one more thing. Most of you do mistakes here. This one and this one, these two are different. When you write this part, this square here, this means the square is on with only x. The square is with x. But when you write like this way, when you write in this way, the square is with this also and this also. So if I break this down, it will be 2 into x into x. But when I break this down, this is 2 into x into x. So it is equal to again 2x square, and it is equal to 4x square. But why am I giving you this? Why am I telling you this? This part is important because most of you, when you get 4x square or 9x square or something 16x square, what you do is you just write 2x square. Here you write 3x square, or here you write 4x square. But these parts are wrong. These are wrong. 4x square in the terms of square you have to write like this. 9x square in terms of square you have to write like this, and in 16x square you have to write in terms of square like this. The bracket is important. This bracket. Without the bracket, this means this. With the bracket, it means this one. So if there is this all, you have to write in this way. This way is wrong. So just keep that in mind. Okay. Just keep that in mind. Now the second one, question number 19. 19 is b square minus plus 4b plus 4. Okay, here b square, just break the side parts, b square, and here 2 square, 4 can be written as 2 square. So inside part will be twice a places b into 2. This one is here. If I compare it with this one, a square plus twice ab plus b square. This a is here, this b is here. Okay, this a is here, this b is here. Okay, so this is the thing. Here it will be b plus 2 a square plus y, because this part is plus. If it is minus, it should be minus b square. So the next one, question number 20. 20 is y square minus 8y plus 16. So if I write this, y square minus twice into, sorry, don't write this one, I did a mistake here, don't write this one. Just write this one, last part, plus 4 square. So this is y square. So now twice into y will be coming here, and this 4 will be coming here. So result will be y, this minus is there, so y minus 4 whole square. Now one more thing, when I'm doing this, there's a part, this part you have to just understand. A minus b whole square is equal to b minus a whole square. Okay, this is the same thing. If you get a result like this, if you get the result in this way for a minus b or b minus a, but if there is a square, so these values are same. Okay, why is this? Because when there is a square, the minus sign is not considered. The result, the value of the result will be something in plus. So it does not matter if you minus 2, sorry, first of all you do 3 minus 2, then you do 2 minus 3. Here result will be 1, here result will be minus 1. But if you square this term, the result will be same. So the squares are always the same. Without square it is wrong, but with square the result will be same. With square the result will be same. Then third part, 21. 21 is 36 minus 12r plus, sorry, 12r plus r square. So here, first of all, this one and this one, 36 can be broken down to 6 square, then so middle part should be twice into 6 into r. So 6 minus r whole square. This can also be written as r minus 6 whole square. You can obtain this if you interchange this part with this one. If we interchange this one with this one, we will get this result if we interchange this, but ultimately the value is same. So the next one, I guess you can do it. 23. Now this part is important. 23, 9, this square minus 6d plus 1. So here this one can be broken down into this square whole square. The last part is 1 square, so middle part will be 3 into last part is 1 square, so middle part should be 3, sorry, not 3, 2 into 3d into 1 plus 1 square, so it is 3d minus 1 whole square. Okay, Twenty-four 1 minus 8x ax plus 16 a square x sorry. Similarly we will do the same process. First of all 1 square, and this one is 16 is what square? 4 square, so 4 will be here. A square is what square? A square, then x. If you give the square here, it will be wrong. This whole are as a whole square, so it will be this. So minus twice into 1 into 4ax plus this. Just write it here. Give a proper space. Then this will be 1 minus 4ax whole square. Okay, you got this part now. Next one is 25. 25 is 16 a square minus 40ab plus 25b square So here if you do it, this is b square. So here if you do it, first one is 4a whole square, last one is 5b whole square. So middle part should be twice into 4a into 5b. See, if you multiply it, 2 into 4 8, 8 into 5 20, so it will give this one. You just don't have to see it, but just keep in mind these two parts are important. So if you do it, 4a minus 5b whole square. Okay, so this part is done. 25 26 26 is x square plus 5x plus 24 by 4. So here if you do it, x square plus, don't do it this part, just, sorry, this is 25, my mistake, 25. So it is 5 by 2 whole square. 5 square is 25, 2 square is 4. So you got this part. Now 2 into a is x and b is what? B is 5 by 2. If you approach in the same way, it will be difficult to find how this 5x came. But now if you see it, you cancel the two part, the result will be 5x. So just break this part and this part. Leave the middle part to do afterwards. Okay. So here it will be x plus 5 by 2 whole square. So you got this part. Now question number 27. 49 x square x4 sorry x4 x4 minus 168 x square y square plus 144 y4. So 49 is what square? 7. X4 is what square? X square square is x4. So this is whole square. Next part is this one. This one is 12y square whole square. So now the middle part is obviously twice into 7x square into 12y square. So 7 is 14, 14 12 is 168. So result will be 7x square plus 12y square whole square. So this is the answer. So this is done. After that 28 is a square plus a plus 1 by 4. So here it will be a whole square, this one will be 1 by 2 whole square, then the result, your middle part will be to 1 by 2 plus this, so it will be a plus 1 by 2 whole square. So I guess you got this part. 28 29 will be, I am rubbing it part. If you have any confusion, just pause the video and just check the answers. I guess you are smart enough to do that. 2 3 4y square 9x square. So here it will be first of all this part x by 2y whole square. Here it will be 2, here it will be 2y 3x whole square, and the middle part will be minus 2 into x by twice y into twice y by 3x plus y square. So here you got this 2 will and this 2 will be getting cancelled, this x will be getting cancelled, this y and this y will be getting cancelled, so result will be 2 by 3. This 2 and this 2, this x and this x, this y and this y will get cancelled because it is up and down cross side, so it will be getting cancelled. So the result will be x twice y minus, this is minus, so minus will be coming down, twice y by 3x whole square. So this is the part. Question number 30, you can do it, I guess. Question number 30, you do it. Now D is simple. D is just like C, but just you have to write one step more. 64 minus 16y plus y square. We already did C most of the things. If you have any problem, just check out again that C part. Now here if we do it, 64 is 8 square and this one is y square, so the middle part will be minus twice into 8 into y plus y square. So now if I take common, x minus y whole square. So this is the answer. Now you have to write this line, just this line, the square root is, the square root is, the square root will be plus minus 8 minus y, this inside part. You just have to write this inside part, not the square part, just the inside part, 8 minus y plus minus 8 minus y. This means what it is? If you are getting confused with this part, it means what? It actually means, first of all, it is plus 8 minus y, after that it is minus 8 minus y. Okay, this both can exist, or this, it can be both the part. Okay, this can be there or this can be there. I guess you can do D now. Now MCQs. Question number 36. Factorization of the polynomial. So this looks a little bit big, but it is simple. X plus y AB plus x plus y whole square b square. Okay, so now if I write this as a whole square, so x minus y a whole square, and this is last part is x plus y b whole square. So middle part should be twice x minus y a and x plus y b. So result will be x minus y a, x minus y a, okay, x minus y a plus x plus y b. Okay, then whole square so now if I multiply it, ax minus ay, a is going here, then b will be also going in this one, so it will be xb plus yb, sorry, xb plus yb whole square. Just see which one has this one. I guess option C has, so option C is the answer. Okay, then the next one, question number 37. 37 is the square of this square side of the square. So you just have to find the square root of this one. So square root of this one will be x minus 20 plus 25. This is 2x whole square, this is 5 square, so the middle part will be 2 into twice x into 5 plus this is 5. Okay, this is 5. So the middle part will be twice x plus 5 whole square. Just see the square root, which one has 2x plus 5? Option number C again. Okay, these are MCQs. So now one more property of this perfect square trinomial is that this is a trinomial, 3 terms, 1 2 3, and one more property about perfect square trinomial is the factors are always the same. Okay, this means what? X plus 1 whole square means what? It is x plus 1 into x plus 1, so the factors are, so this is not the square, x plus 1 plus x plus 1, so the factors are same. So the question just says what is the value of, it is just same as question number B. What value of C should make this a perfect square trinomial? So just like we did question number 2, 9 by 4 whole square, then this part will be twice into x into 9 by 4. We just need C, remember we just need C. So here it will be x square minus 2, so it will be 9 by 2x plus 9 by 4 y square. So it is just same, this one. I'm writing this. So value of C will be 9 by 2. Okay, thank you. This was it for today's session. I guess you should complete this exercise 60, everything, and you have to submit it. Okay, and those who have any doubt, just ask it in the group. Thank you.